Yo, what is going on, everybody? I don't really have an intro yet. But anyway, today, you're probably wondering, he can speak. No. But today we're going to be doing a basic parkour tutorial. Just basic intro, if you've never done anything before. And we're going to be moving to a park setting to get this done. And it's going to be a good time. So I hope you guys enjoy. And to the park we go. And we're here at the park. This is my friend Rory. He's right there. I don't know if you can see him on the camera. There he is. But anyway, we're gonna start this tutorial now. Alright everybody, first thing we're gonna learn is the safety rule. The safety rule is vital to parkour. So the first thing you're gonna do is put your hands diagonal on the ground. You wanna start low, close to the ground. Then you're gonna wanna duck your shoulder and your head and roll from one side of your body to the other. Me, I prefer my right shoulder to the left side of my back. This movement is for taking big drops. If you trip and fall, anything, you just go right into your safety roll so you don't get hurt. Now once you start getting the hang of it, you can start from standing up right into your safety roll. Make sure you're going from one shoulder to the other side of your lower back, diagonal. Diagonal is crucial so you're not actually doing a somersault. And then once you get the hang of it more, you can jump right into the safety roll. And this is getting more used to it, so when you take bigger drops, you have mastered it, and you can go right in your safety roll without getting hurt. Here's a different angle, just to show you guys what it looks like from the side. So you're going to start low, hands diagonal, tuck your head, roll over your shoulder to your other side of your lower back, stand up, bam, safety roll. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on how important it is to have your safety roll down. So this is why the safety roll is so crucial. So you want to take a high drop like this one, you don't want to end up like this guy.
Good.
See, that's a hospital trip right there. You don't want that. Now this, on the other hand, is how it should look. Bam, safety roll. Now let's get on to the next movement. So next up, we have the safety vault. The safety vault is one of the easiest vaults you can use to get over an obstacle. It's pretty universal, so you can use it anywhere. So you want to start with your dominant leg on the obstacle and your non-dominant hand on the obstacle. And you want to bring your non-dominant leg through the hole between your hand and your foot. Just like that. As you get better, the vault looks cleaner and awesome. Here's a different angle. Foot up, hand on. Leg through the hole. Bam. Safety vault. There it is, sped up. Bam. So next up, we have the Kong vault. This one takes a little bit more athleticism and flexibility. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with the run and end up about where I am right now. Then you're going to use your arms and shoulders to push up in the air. Just like this. Pow, pow, pow. Get that power. And then you're going to dive, put it all together, just like this. Bam. So you really want to make sure you're popping with your shoulders. Just like that. And bringing those legs up high so you don't clip your feet. And then falling through and landing. Just like this. Bam. Carnival. Next up, we have the turn vault. And the turn vault's a little different. It's not really to get over something and continue running. It's more for getting around and hanging on to something, just like that. So the technique is grabbing reverse with one hand, usually your dominant hand. So I grab reverse with my right hand and regular with my left, and then you turn yourself over, grab on with your left hand, swing your legs around, and land. Grabbing with the right hand, regular with the left, turning around, bam, just like that. And that's for getting over like a ledge or a high rise and you want to drop down. That's the vault you would use. Now the last thing are precision jumps. Precision jumps are easy but also difficult. So you want to start by jumping off one leg. You get a lot of power with one leg. But the real technical part is landing with 2 feet. Always. You want to land with 2 feet so you don't split anything. One more thing too, make sure you're really throwing those arms so you get a lot of power off that one jump. Look how much I'm throwing my arms, right up to this guy. Bam. Now putting a lot of things we learned together, got the Kong vault, right into the precision jump, and safety vault back over. Oh, you thought that was it? This is where things get real.
Make the ground shake.
Hey everybody, thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If I get around 15 likes, I'll make sure to do another tutorial for you guys. And my goal is 50 subs, so if you can get me out to that, that'd be amazing. If you're a new subscriber, make sure to leave a comment down below, because you know I can get to know you, get to know that you're subscribed to me, and that would be awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay steel strong, guys. Peace.